Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. What is up, Loyal Royals? So this is going to be a quick watch me work on nail prep and shaping. So I've already used my nail file, well my e-file electric drill, and I etched the nail plate. So right here I'm just going to go in and start cutting my tips. This is going to be a sharp stiletto look. Y'all know I like my claws, okay? And right here I'm taking these little gold scissors that I bought. I honestly don't know where I got them, but I love them, especially for stiletto or almond shapes or anything like that. So I'm gonna cut as much as I can, try not to overcut on each side, and then after that I'm going to shape them with the hand file. So when I shape, especially for stiletto, I like to take my hand file and I hold it at an angle and I make sure I file evenly on both sides. If you guys have not seen my video, I'm going to make sure that I put it at the end of this, which is how to get a sharp stiletto shape. So that pretty much explains that. But when you file, you want to make sure that you are filing evenly on both sides, and I like to file until that point is sharp, like sharp, okay? So you're gonna keep filing, but you want to make sure you're watching your filing because you don't want to overfile on one side because it'll make the nail look kind of crooked. So after that, we'll go to the next step. So after I shape, and you see that shape is sharp, okay? After I shape, I take my sanding band and I'm going and filing on the tops of the nail tip, because this will help the adhesion of the acrylic to the nail, because we already have to rough up the nail plate so that the bonder, primer, and acrylic will stick. So why not rough up the tip also? Do anything that you have to do to make sure that the acrylic nail lasts as long as possible for your customer. After I have removed the dust, I'm going to take a clean manicure brush and some Young Nail Swipe and prep and dehydrate and cleanse the nail. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, glitter makes everything better, so keep shining. See you in the next one.